Now today we are going to find the y dx of 1 over 2x. Now, you know the formula to find the y dx is simple, just like you have dy dx equals a n x power n minus 1. So if you want to solve a question like this, something like this, fraction like this, and but mind you, when you are solving this kind of fraction, ensure that what you have here is 1. If you have 1 here, 1 over anything, what you just have to do is to use your indices formula, which means that 2x raised to the power minus 1. If I have 1 over 4x, so it's going to be what? 4x raised to the power minus 1. That is how to convert it. But if you have a situation like this, when you have a situation like this, when you have 2x over 4, okay, 2x over 3x, you know, the value here, the value you have here, you can differentiate it, and the value you have here, you can also differentiate it. So in this kind of question now, you will not use what? You will not use just this ordinary principle to solve it. You can't convert it to, you can't use that indices method. So you cannot just simply use this formula and get the answer. No. What are you going to use? You are going to use quotient rule. You are going to use quotient rule because it's division like this. But when you have just a value, you have a value that cannot be differentiated as your numerator. So then the denominator is the value that you can differentiate. Then of course what you just have to do is to convert this to 2 whole number raised to the power minus 1. That's what you just have to do. You can put this in brackets. You understand? So now, what we do now is, this one will become, so for our 1 over 2x is going to be 2x raised to the power minus 1. 2x raised to the power minus 1. So it is now this I'm going to differentiate now. Don't forget that I use the formula for dy dx. So my dy dx equals the a. A is what? A is the coefficient. So I'm going to write it 2 times. Then n is the power, which is minus 1. Then times x here. I'll put it back. N is minus 1. Then minus here. Then 1 here. So I'll be having the y dx equals 2 times minus 1 minus 2. Then minus 2x raised to the power. Minus 1 will give you minus 2. Final answer.